Small pharmacists have long complained that PBMs leverage market power to force pharmacies into unfavorable and unfair contracts.
I have serious questions and concerns that the merger we are discussing today could worsen the climate for independent pharmacies and could lead to less access and higher costs for patients.
A misconception put forth by the merging parties is that this switch to mail order will lower drug costs for consumers. Evidence demonstrates the opposite. Mail order operations push out more brand name drugs and fewer generic than retail pharmacies, thereby lowering generic dispensing rates.
Do PBMs actually reduce health care costs? There is no proof that they pass along the purported savings to health plans, employers, or consumers.
We have identified several potential concerns with regard to this merger. But before I identify these concerns, let me emphasize first that the time for careful evaluation of this merger is now.
PBMs need retail pharmacies and pharmacists. They need them. They have to assure that their customers can fill prescriptions at various locations.
Wouldn't the natural assumption be that this concern will grow if this merger is approved, and won't the level of transparency decrease post-merger because employers and health plans would have fewer options and thus not be in a position to demand greater transparency?
I think that's right. Congresswoman. I think one of the things that competition does in this marketplace, in any marketplace, is it forces the seller to be more transparent because the consumer has more choices, or in this case, the plan sponsors or whoever the customer is in that instant.
There is only one stakeholder that would benefit, the new mega PBM.